MySims Switch version leaked. Classic Wii game making a comeback. MySims was originally released for the Wii and Nintendo DS in 2007. Currently, new evidence indicated that the game would be re-released for the Nintendo Switch. This was leaked by multiple retailers that posted listings for the Switch version of MySims. Further highlighting the chances of re-releasing the game is the fact that the game also surfaced on EA's official website. MySims is a Sims spin-off game intending to focus on decoration, relaxation, and simply fulfilling neighborly requests, compared to looking after the characters' needs and desires. It has chibi characters, also very cartoon-like graphics. Many would say that this is more or less the same as the Animal Crossing game genre. Moreover, confirming what its official description says, MySims would get a physical and a digital version on the Switch, priced at €49.99. It's at this stage uncertain which development studio is handling this Switch release. The original was by the now defunct EA Redwood Shores. However, if MySims comes to Nintendo Switch, it would probably be integrating the variety of life simulation games present on the console. It won't be scratching the same itch for the fans of the Sims series, because it's not the same thing at all.